So guys, welcome to my channel, and first you have to come on this website gigabyte.com, which is download the driver for Gigabyte motherboard. Then you can see here search button, click to here, and then enter model number of motherboard B860MD, and then hit enter. Then guys, click to product, this one, click on here B860MD. Then click to support. VGA driver. So this is, and just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading here. After download, just single click to open, then double click to extract to your system, and just double click. After that, it's installing, then click to yes. And then closed.